Thank you for choosing Architectural Mall. We're proud to provide premium architectural products and are committed to supporting you every step of the way. This is a step-by-step guide to help you replace a damaged RoyalStone baluster. Using a reciprocating saw, carefully cut through the caulking at both the top and bottom of the damaged baluster. Gently tap the baluster to loosen any remaining material, then remove it along with the internal pipe. Use a knife or scraper to remove any leftover caulk and debris, ensuring the surface is clean and smooth for installation. Unbox the replacement baluster. Use an angle grinder to cut the integrated pipe flush with the top and bottom surfaces. Insert the spring-loaded pins into each end of the baluster. Carefully insert the replacement baluster into the opening, making sure it aligns properly with the existing rail system. Apply a bead of caulk around the top and bottom of the baluster to securely seal it to the rails. That concludes our step-by-step guide on how to replace a damaged RoyalStone baluster. We appreciate your trust in our products and are proud to be part of your project. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our team is always here to help. There are more videos on stair installations, railing to column installations, as well as other products. Again, thank you for considering our products for your project.